over time, I have had the opportunity to speak with many women. And there's one pattern I have noticed in women who are actively trying to improve their lives. And it is more common than people realize. Many of them are putting in effort, yet they are not seeing the kind of results they expected. You may find yourself in this situation. You are making decisions, but you are not fully confident in them. You are working hard, but your results are not consistent. You are trying to stay focused, but you feel like your direction is not clear. At some point, this becomes frustrating. You begin to wonder if you are making the right choices. You begin to question whether you are on the right path. You begin to feel uncertain about what your next step should be. Let me properly introduce myself here. Hello, my name is Coach Glory, and if you are coming across my channel, you are welcome here. This is a space for women who are ready to gain clarity, align with purpose, and move forward with confidence. Now, let's go deeper. One thing I have learned is that there are certain things that are difficult to see clearly when you are deeply involved in your own situation. This is where many women struggle without realizing it. They keep trying to move forward, but they are doing it without clear direction. And when there is no clarity, progress becomes inconsistent. This is where personalized guidance comes, and it becomes very important. During my private coaching sessions, we focus on your specific situation so that you can move forward with confidence. Let me walk you through what happens in a session. First, we take a clear look at where you are right now and identify what is keeping you stuck. Secondly, we examine areas of your life where there may be misalignment, especially in your decisions, your thinking, and your directions. Thirdly, we create clear and practical next steps that can be followed by you easily. That way, you are no longer guessing what to do. Once you have clarity, your decisions become easier, your focus becomes stronger, and your direction becomes more defined. You begin to move with intention instead of confusion. If you are ready to stop feeling uncertain about your next step and you want clear direction for this season of your life, then I invite you to book a private coaching session. This is a premium one-to-one session designed to help you achieve your goals with clarity and confidence. You can click on the link in the description below or the link in my bio to get started today. I look forward to meeting you and having clear goals defined for you. Take care. Have an amazing day ahead. Coach Glory.